over. This is not I. No, not me. Oh!
Man!
Stupid beast!
Wow! Look at yourself. You're falling all over the place. Wow! No, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Mind your own business.
When we walked down the aisle, we became one, which means you are my business.
Get out of my way, woman. Get out of my way, woman, before you make me do something I'll later not regret.
Enough is enough. You're intoxicated. It's time for you to go to bed. Come on.
Trust me. Get yourself straight.
Time to go to bed.
Trust me, woman, I know what I'm saying. I'll go to bed when I please. Woman, you need to loosen up. You take life way too seriously.
You don't take life serious enough. I'm fed up. Please, just go to bed.
Action.